This is tutorial number 97, and it is the Boolean operations overview within Catia V5. Now what I'm going to do in this tutorial is I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the Boolean operations and how they kind of work. So to find all the Boolean operations, if you click Insert Boolean Operations, you'll find all of the Boolean operations right in here. Now I'm just going to show you just like a little example from a picture of what exactly all these Boolean operations will do. So this is just kind of showing what the Boolean operations are going to do. So a union, say we have a square and a circle like it shows up here. The union is going to be like our add Boolean operation. This is going to be like our subtract Boolean operation. And this is going to be our intersection Boolean operation. So with this one, both the parts are being added. With this one, you're subtracting one part from the other. And then with this one, it's wherever both of them touch, that's what you get as your end result. So this is just kind of like a quick little overview, just give you an idea if you don't already know what a Boolean operation is. So it's just kind of refresh, let you know exactly what we're going to be doing in these next few tutorials. And just so you know, a Boolean operation is actually like a search function too. So when you're going through this is actually like a search for both of these and putting them together. This is a search for taking one away, and this is a search for where both of them come in contact. So a Boolean operation is a search, and within Catia V5 we're going to be using these Boolean kind of search functions to create our parts from multiple bodies. And that concludes our tutorial of our Boolean overview within Catia V5.